Okay, Paul, could you just give me a 30-second overview of who Harvey Nash Software Development are?
Well, we were established some 10 years ago now. We have an offshore centre in Vietnam developing software services, low cost, low risk, very high quality services out of Vietnam. We deliver software into the UK, Europe and US for our clients such as Honda, MSNBC, Hitachi, those sorts of blue chip clients.
Could you tell me where Harvey Nash Software Development sit in the overall portfolio of services in the Harvey Nash Group?
Most people will know Harvey Nash as a recruitment company, and indeed key services include executive search and IT recruitment. The software division is the third key element in Harvey Nash's portfolio of products. It represents a very significant proportion of their business.
Why did Harvey Nash choose Vietnam? Obviously, compared to India, it's not a typical offshore destination.
There are a lot of reasons why we chose Vietnam, and we've been there for 10 years. The decision we made then has proved to be the right decision for us, and we've seen our business grow as a direct result of that. There are lots of good reasons why we chose Vietnam, not least the fact that there's an 86 million population with a 95% literacy rate. And that in itself has then given us access to large numbers of enthusiastic, energetic and ambitious people with tremendous skills. The other prime reason was the fact that 83% of graduates study science. That means that what we have is absolutely the right people to make fantastic IT engineers for Harvey Nash. And that was another reason. And then the final reason was access to government. We actually have tremendous access to the government, the education, the investment, the Minister of Communications, the Prime Minister, so we can get things done. And we come first when it comes to Vietnam investment in the technology industry.
Offshoring is obviously a growing industry with many players. Paul, could you give me the three things that make Harvey Nash Software Development stand out?
Firstly, the fact that we're a UK public company. That really does give confidence to the clients that not only will we manage the relationship, but also the contractual elements will be managed properly with a lot of trust, a lot of confidence for the clients. Secondly, our staff retention, which is frankly absolutely vital. Because when we contract with a client to undertake a project, we know we're going to end the project with the same people that we started. And I think from a perspective of domain knowledge and knowledge retention, that's a real benefit of working with Harvey Nash. And finally, the fact that we have over 3,000 IT professionals in Vietnam, with the largest operation in Vietnam, quality accredited, and more importantly, we have superb security accreditations that mean that creates real trust and confidence with the client.
Spencer, could you talk me through the kind of services that Harvey Nash Software Development offer?
We offer a complete range of software application development services, starting from business consulting all the way through to complete build, application, testing, maintenance and support. And typically we offer that as an end-to-end solution to most of our clients.
What kind of industry expertise do you have?
Well, unlike the majority of our market, we actually have built up over many years a level of industry expertise that spans a number of markets, ranging from public sector, where we've done work in education services, through to manufacturing, IT, telecommunications and media and publishing, with companies such as Hitachi, Cigna Group and Communisys, for instance, in the print world.
How does Harvey Nash Software engage with clients over the period of a project?
Well, we recognise that the one-size-fits-all solution actually isn't the right approach to take with our clients. So we tend to offer a range of services that go from time and materials through to fixed price, through to committed teams, where effectively our development teams based in Vietnam, offering low-cost and high-quality services, become part of an extended enterprise of a client's organisation.
Harvey Nash talk a lot about the extended enterprise model. Could you just sort of elaborate on what that actually means?
We're very fortunate to have one of the highest staff retention rates in the industry. Typically our competitors will have attrition rates of anywhere between 25 and 35%. So it's extremely difficult for them as providers to provide long-term committed teams of people that can become effectively an extension of an IT department for a client. Our extended enterprise model, because of our attrition rate being down as 6%, where it's been for many years, enables us to put together committed teams of people that don't just become an extension of the IT department of an organisation, they effectively become an extension of their business. So they get far more closer to the culture of the organisation, the way that the people work, and build up a level of knowledge around that organisation that extends far beyond pure development, because our approach is very much about understanding and recognising that IT and the services that we provide are purely business enablers, not the strategic drivers themselves.
Một, hai, ba.